Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to day 17. Why am I swinging around like that? I don't know. Anybody else getting excited? It's a week to go to Christmas Eve. What am I doing? What am I doing today? So today's Wednesday, isn't it? So I'm off to Sawtern this afternoon. So I've got my virtual this morning, then Sawtern this afternoon, and then after Sawtern, we're going out for some Christmas food. So yeah, I'll either edit that in today or I'll edit it in tomorrow. I don't know yet, but I'm really looking forward to that. Nice little catch up with the Wednesday gang as well. And yeah, we haven't got many more sort of Christmassy things, Carl and I, to do. I think we'll probably go into Newcastle at some point and have a look at Phoenix Windowed, just go for a coffee, that kind of thing. So that might be in the next few days, not sure when. Okay, what am I opening first today? I think I'm going to do Me Made, which happens to be right on the top. And it is not soap, it's definitely webbing. Maybe I need to be more creative with my wrapping, although most of them I haven't guessed. So this is very similar to the one I shared. I can't even remember what day. I mean, we're on day 14. It's a miracle that I actually know that it's day 14, day 17. See, I don't know. Oh, this is nice. So it's like a beige animal print. I mean, I do have webbing that's not animal print. I'd use it on this side rather than that side. Very nice. That's going straight into the bag making stash drawer. So I've got one drawer for webbing, one drawer for zips and stuff, and then all of my hardware is in plastic cases behind. So anything that I've been gifted in advent calendars is in some little trays over there, and then I'm going to have, in between Christmas and New Year, I'm going to have a sort it all out and put it all away day. That's the plan. Okay, day 17, where's my list? Day 17 is Paula. Oh, now then. Now, I think, right, so this one fell out of here, but I think it's all part of day 17, not a different one. So if it's not and it belongs to somebody else, let me know on the So Virtual chat, guys. I don't want to offend anybody, but I think it was in here. Maybe wrong. Paula. Well, that's a funny old shape, isn't it? Feels like a garlic press, but I'm sure it's not. Oh, do you know what? I don't know what I can say about Paula other than she was the very first person to book onto my So Virtual. We'd not met before. And when I launched that, so that must have been a year ago that she booked onto there. And she'd only been on the sessions a couple of times, and I can remember saying to Carl, if Paula lived closer, she'd be somebody I'd be going out for coffee and stuff with, and we'd be becoming friends. Everybody's lovely, but you know when you just feel like you would connect with somebody. And then I just sent her a message saying, do you fancy going to the quilt festival? And she said yes. And then obviously there were more of us that came, but our friendship has really developed from then. And I really do. And she knows this, value our friendship. And she's absolutely hilarious. So she runs the socials in Preston. If you want any details of that, let me know and I can get those for you. Excuse me. It's a pen, but it's hilarious. Are you ready for this? How hilarious is that pen? Oh my word, I love it. I'm going to look fabulous, aren't I, in July when I'm still using that pen? Because I would. That is great. See what I mean? She's hilarious. I've got an inkling what this might be. Oh, very me. There we go. The reason I'm laughing was when we were at Leeds together, where's it at? A few weeks ago, we went into Sostring Green. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And we were looking at diaries and stuff. And she said, do you use a diary? I went, well, yeah, no, a little bit. And I said I could do with a planner. And when I said, yeah, no, she went, you do now. And And I guess there was probably a diary in here somewhere. But actually, the ones I've been getting were like a A5 diary to page, and what I probably really need is something a bit smaller than that. And then I do all my makes and magic mock-up on Stash Hub. I love that for planning, but week by week I've been using this book. So I got this at Fostering Green. I've got some ideas in the front of it, and yeah, like it's just got some scribbles and what I'm making and in what order. But for dates, I could do with so actually, Paula, it was a really good idea, and it has got a very normal pen, but I think this one might just have to be in there. What do you think? Thank you very much. The pen's just going to make me smile every time I pick it up. It's hilarious. Okay, so haven't actually got any new makes to share with you today or anything. Just, I just keep laughing at that. Yeah, I need to do a bit of tidying up and a bit of organising and planning. I need to decide what else I'm making. I've got a jersey dress, a normie sew over it normie dress cut out today, which I can make totally on my overlocker. I've got my Baby Lock Aspire lawn machine that I'll take with me today. So that's like a jersey dress with a ruffle on. So I'll show you that when I do get it finished. I probably won't get it finished completely at sew turn because we'll be packing up a bit earlier to go for Scran. And apart from that, I've not really got much else cut out. A sweatshirt, and I've got a bag to finish, and that's it. I'm trying not to get too much because, as I've said, I'm like rotating. So whenever I'm sewing, I move all of this stuff over there, and then when I'm not, I keep moving it back. So yeah. Okay, so let's do Prim Advent Calendar. Day 17. Who sang that song? 17. Do you know? Name that tune. I'll name that tune in one. No. I've sang to you a lot this year. You can request that I don't sing to you next year. It's okay. It's a quiet one. I must go eat after this. Ah, they're always handy. That will be going straight in my holiday go away wash baggy kit. A little Prim. Actually, because they're self-threaded, I might put that in my no, I'm going to put it in my holiday kit. I was going to say my social kit, but I'm going to put it in my holiday kit because it will be handy. Because I don't know about you, I've always got to do some sort of minor repair or sew something either for me or somebody else while I'm on holiday, usually me. I did once have it wasn't a me-made either. None of my me-made swimwear I have ever had an incident, but I did have a shop-bought one that was on holiday in Turkey, and all of a sudden the catch snapped on the back. It was probably the pressure it was under. And Carl tied a knot in it, and then I had to go back down to the room and I just stitched it closed. So yeah, you always need one of those. Okay, let's do Beyond the Pink Door, day 17. It's a long one. I've loved absolutely everything so far. And I know you're loving what you're getting in your different advent calendars too, because you're telling me in the comments. So let me know what your favourites are so far. I'm having a very stationary day today. I've been wanting to try these eco highlighters. So it's a pack of 4 pencils. Oh, I want to open it but not rip a nail off. I feel like I watch beauty unboxings, and I feel like one of those where I'm like, I'll just get my scissors. I don't want to damage my nail. Oh, they're really chunky, aren't they? Yeah, let me have a try. Oh, there we go. That'll be useful in my diary. So that's my list of my lovely Sew Virtual people. I've just highlighted penny number 3. Where can they go? Well, they'll be best in here in my pen pot, I think. I would use them the most. Yeah, There we go. Right, I'm going to sign off because watching me close a lid isn't the most interesting thing, is it? But I'll be back tomorrow. I think I'll upload this tonight, and then I'll be back tomorrow, and I'll share with you about Sawtune and about the meal and anything else that's happening. So I'll catch you then.